Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to do routine maintenance on a Stihl BR450 gas backpack blower. Alright, so what I'm going to go over in this video is how to replace the air filter, the spark plug, the fuel filter, and then one other item that gets forgotten sometimes, and that is checking the spark arrestor. Now, I got all these items at my local Stihl dealer, and they don't sell a lot of stuff online. You have to get it from the dealer, but I will put some links below the video to some aftermarket parts. If you want to go that route, you can definitely save some money doing it that way, or you can just go to your local Stihl dealer like I did. It's up to you. So before we start, what we want to do is drain the gas tank, because we're going to be fishing the fuel filter out of there and it'll just make a mess. So let's start with a fuel filter, otherwise known as a pickup body. So the first thing we're going to do is just take the gas cap off. So the problem is sometimes that fuel filter is way down in this tank. So what you need to do is make some type of little hook out of a piece of wire or a coat hanger, or sometimes you can just reach it with a pair of needle nose pliers. But what we're going to do is just reach down in there and get this hook around that fuel line. Till we can get a hold of that fuel filter. Now, you don't want to pull too tight, because if this fuel filter snaps off and the line goes back down in the tank, you're going to have a hard time getting it out. But just hold it right here, and then you're just going to pull this old fuel filter off. Then we'll take our new fuel filter and stick that in. Then you can just drop it back down in the tank. And you do want to kind of make sure that's sitting down in the bottom of the tank. Then you can put your gas cap back on. So next we're going to replace the air filter. And that is under this housing right here. Now, to take this door off, we're going to use this T-wrench or scrinch, whatever you want to call it, that comes with all Stihl equipment. And that's got a T27 Torx bit on the end, and we're going to use that to take these screws out and take off this door. So we'll go ahead and replace this old air filter with the new one. I'm going to clean up around this air intake just a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and put this door back on. Next, we're going to put in our new NGK spark plug, and again, I'll put part numbers below the video in the description. So we're just going to use this bigger end of our T-wrench. Then we'll put our new one in. Always start these by hand. You don't want to cross thread it, and you can put a little dielectric grease in the boot if you want. You just want to tighten this down by hand until that gasket's making contact, and then just give it about a half turn with your wrench. We can go ahead and put our boot back on. Now, the last thing we're going to do is check the spark arrestor screen on the exhaust here. So over time, you can get carbon buildup on this screen, and if this can't breathe, then you're going to get this machine bogging down. So this is just held in by 2 screws. We're going to take these screws out, and then we'll remove the exhaust here. So then I'm just going to remove that with some needle nose pliers carefully, and try not to drop anything, just like that, down into the housing. So don't drop that down in there like I did. Good thing we already had a hook made here for the fuel filter. So we'll go ahead and check that out. This one is not too bad. You can see through it, so I know it's breathing, but To clean these, what you can do is just hit this with a propane torch and burn off that carbon buildup, or you can hit this with some carb cleaner and scrub it with a wire brush before you put that back in. So I think that's what I'm gonna do real quick. Just gonna give it a little wipe down before we put it away for the year. And that's it. That's how you do annual maintenance on a Stihl BR450 backpack blower. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.